Good morning, everyone. So let us wait for a couple of minutes. So exactly, we'll start around 8:47. The people will wait for a couple of minutes. Hello, everyone. So let us start. So welcome to another day with Prebel with William O'Neill India. So before we getting to start the our webinar, so this is our disclaimer. So whatever we are going to present regarding our stock or sector, whatever we are discussing in this webinar, so please do not please consider it for only for education purpose. So there should not, it's not an official investment advice. You can always go through our TraderSmith website and MarketSmith recommendations regarding that. So whatever we are discussing in this webinar, please consider it as a education purpose. So let us move on to the next slide. So what happened overnight? So majority of the global markets, if you see here, global markets have been trading positively. UK markets have been trading positively, and in the US market, there are Nasdaq and S&P as Nasdaq has been hit a lot because of Netflix and all. But Asian markets are trading very well, except China. So China has been down from 0.99% and Hang Seng 1.19%. So rest, except that, even our SGX Nifty, which are trading in Singapore, is trading positive. So what we can expect is Nifty will open gap up today with around 50 to 60 points up, and that's what we are expecting from the global cues. So what happened overnight in the major part is yesterday Tata Elxsi has been reported its earnings. So it's a very good earnings in terms of profit and revenue growth, but there is a slight miss in EBITDA growth. So profit jumps around 39% to 160 crores. Revenue up, it's around 35%, 32% to 6,682 crores. Because of the steady growth in transportation and media and communication and healthcare segments. Because of transportation, all the EV sector business has been giving a more advantages to the Tata Elxsi. Okay, and one more Tata Group company, TCS, they got service. They got the offer to provide service. It's Microsoft Cloud. So that service going to be financial services for the Microsoft. Okay, and yesterday Angel One also reported its earnings. The company reported around 18% quarter-over-quarter growth in the client base. So PAT also increased 24.4% and revenue grew 18.9% quarter-over-quarter. So it's a steady growth for the Angel One, which indicates that there is a steady rise in retail investors in the country. Okay, and today its major earnings are HCL Technology and Nestle India and ICICI Lombard. So these are earnings we are expecting. So HCL Tech, already TCS and Infosys earnings were pretty much missed the street estimates. So please trade wisely in HCL Tech if anyone taking BTST trade or kind of thing, because they want to capture this trade. So please trade wisely. And what our let us move on to the markets. So what market is telling us? So if you observe here, it is trading in this channel, downward sloping channel. So after that gap down on Monday, it's trading in a very sideways range. So what we can expect is Nifty might open gap up today, so it might fill this gap in one or two trading sessions. So what we are expecting is it might trade it might go till 17,400 500 levels in coming one or two sessions. But overall trend is weak. The major trend, the mid to long term trend are weak. In one or 2 days of point, we can say that it might fill this gap and might move towards its 21 DMA. So that's what we are expecting. On the downside, there is a strong support at this level, that is around 16,950 levels. So there is a strong support at that time. So break below this level once again, it might test 16,850 level. Okay, so that's about Nifty. And what about Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty also kind of similar situation over here. So here also what we are expecting is if you see the rising volume in the on the selling volumes in the Bank Nifty, there is very good selling volume, and the trend is overall looking bearish. So what we are expecting, it might retest this level, that is 200 DMA, and it might cross 200 DMA and may towards 37,200 300 points. So something around 1,000 point from here on the upside. So already trend is negative, RSI is showing negative, and MACD also crossed negative crossover. So major trend has been shifted towards negative, but 1 or 2 days of point of time, like today and tomorrow trading session, we might expect some pullback trade because of this gap down, and last 2 days it has been trading in a negative manner. So we might expect some pullback over here. It might gain another 1,000 point. It might fill this gap over here. So that's what we are expecting in the Bank Nifty. Even what option data is suggesting the same. Like there is a strong up move. There is a strong downside supports of 17,000 and then 16,500. And on the upside, there is a 17,500. 500, there is a major OI buildup I've seen, even in the Bank Nifty. So the major support is around 36,000, 35,000. So kind of 1,000 points of support on the downside. So this is what we got from the derivative point of view. So we are also sending the derivative to the TraderSmith client's detailed report in a couple of minutes also. And that's it for in the pre-bill. Thank you once again on one and all. Stay tuned and please trade wisely in this volatile phase of market. Thank you.